If you've just been named the executor or a personal representative of an estate that includes a house, what do you do first? Let's talk about that. Hi, I'm Tom Bird with the Bird Group at Keller Williams, a real estate team that specializes in Georgia probate. And this is a question that we get a lot. One of your first priorities should be to secure the home. Before anything else, change the locks. Even if the previous owner believed that they had collected all the keys, you never know who might still possess a copy. It could be a former tenant, a contractor, a neighbor, or even family member. Changing the locks gives you legal control and peace of mind. Next, you should call the homeowner's insurance company. Vacant properties often lose coverage or have limited protection under standard policies. Inform the insurer that the property is in probate, request a vacancy coverage, and confirm that the home is protected against vandalism, theft, or liability. You'll also want to forward the mail as promptly as possible. An overflowing mailbox signals vacancy, and important notices or bills could be missed otherwise. Turn on the utilities if they've been shut off. Having water and electricity and the thermostat functioning can prevent damage, mold, or deterioration inside the home while you're managing the probate duties. During your first walkthrough, take detailed photos and document the condition of the windows, the doors, roof, siding, and interior systems. Look for broken glass, leaks, or damage that could worsen if left unattended. You will want to secure any valuables or sensitive documentation or personal property and move them to a safe location. One critical step that many people overlook is posting a no trespassing sign. Under Georgia law, criminal trespass can be enforced if a person knowingly enters or remains in a property without authority after receiving proper notice. The posted signage is one common form of such notice. Now, while Georgia does not spell out the exact dimensions or spacing or the requirements for these signs, courts generally expect them to be conspicuous and placed at reasonable points of entry so that a person approaching the property is made aware that they are not welcome. If you plan to request law enforcement constraints or removal of trespassers, having clear posted signage makes your case stronger. Also know that Georgia law allows the owner or the authorized agent to remove unauthorized vehicles or personal property from private property. For example, trespassing vehicles, provided that a notice has been posted, the statute requires that notice be conspicuously posted before removal rights apply. Having that signage up early ensures the estate has legal backing in case vehicles are wrongly left on the property. Also, please note, if there are occupants who shouldn't be there, like squatters or holdover tenants, do not try to remove them yourself. That can create liability and expose you to legal risks. However, it can be very dangerous. Instead, consult with a probate attorney that can help you deliver proper legal notice or file for eviction, depending on your authority under the will or the court order. Taking all of these steps early, changing the lock, checking the insurance, forwarding the mail, reactivating the utilities, documenting the condition, posting that no trespassing sign, and having legal removals to qualified cancel helps preserve the value of the estate, it minimizes the risk, and it gives you stronger legal standing as you move forward with offers, repairs, or listing the home. If you find yourself in this situation, we understand how overwhelming it can be. You're not alone. We have helped many families navigate this same process and would be honored to guide you as well. If you have any questions or need help with the next steps, don't hesitate to reach out to us. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more probate guidance. You can also check out the next video right here, and know we are here when you need us. And until next time, bye.